Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Massab Jamal and you are watching my YouTube channel European Story Official. So student, today we are going to apply in another Italian university, and this time is for Sapienza University of Rome. So Sapienza University of Rome is located in the Lazio Disco region, and if we talk about the ranking of Sapienza University, so it stands at 128th position globally according to the QS World Ranking, and in Italy we all know it stands at the first class university, so it stands at first position in Italy. If we talk about the scholarships, so yes, both merit-based and need-based scholarships are available in Sapienza University of Rome. For merit-based scholarships, you require your transcripts, and for need-based scholarships, you require your income certificates. And scholarship calls usually open in the month of July to August, and you may also visit their official portal for the more details. So if you are an international student and looking for the best opportunity in Italy and in Europe, so Sapienza University of Rome is basically you. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button so you never miss another update. So let's begin our video. This is the official portal of the Sapienza University of Rome. Here you can check out the requirements for admission for the scholarship and available programs for both bachelor master degree, English taught programs. So from here you can check out the requirements. Firstly, we check out the available programs in English. So here we can check out the programs. For 3-year bachelor degree, there are multiple options. You have applied computer science and artificial intelligence, bioinformatics, business sciences, classics, economic and finance, global humanities, molecular biology. Nursing is also available in Sapienza University of Rome for the girls who have done pre-medical in the FSC pre-medical. So they can also apply in the Sapienza University of Rome for the nursing program. Sustainable building engineering are also available, and for master there are also multiple choice. You may apply in the mechanical engineering, nanotechnology engineering, physics. So we have multiple options in the English. So after checking out all the available programs, we have come across the application portal. So this is the official portal for the application for the Sapienza University of Rome. So if you have your login details, then enter your email and password. If you don't have, then do register yourself on the portal. Click on the register, enter your email, then password. Write your first name here, your last name, your passport number. Then if you want to receive the emails from University of Rome, then click on yes, otherwise no. Then register yourself in the portal. So we have successfully registered ourselves on the Sapienza University of Rome portal. Here is the application portal for the 2026 and 27 intake. So from here we can start our application. Click on the start application. So first start on it. First read out the information, then click on the next. Then enter your personal details. Do you need a visa? Yes. Nationality, obviously Pakistan. If you are from India, Afghanistan, then do select your nationality. Do you have a second nationality? So if you have, then click on yes, otherwise no. Current country of residence, so Pakistan. Then click on save. Program choice, program type, bachelor's or master's. So as usual I will focus on the bachelor degree programs. So programs, choose your program in which you want to apply. Intake 26 visa, then move on to the save. Then write out your personal details, your last name, your gender. Upload your passport or ID card here. So you specify your date of birth, then city of birth, country of birth, then your contact details. If you have preferred video conferencing platform, then do specify here Teams, Google Meet or Zoom. You may specify your ID here if you have, otherwise do not select this option. Cell phone number, then choose your country code and write your phone number here. Your current address. I am just using the dummy data. You may use your personal data accurately according to your ID card or your passport. Your current city, current postal code, then click on the save. Then you have to move on the next step, which is about the languages. So choose your language, mother tongue. Choose your mother tongue here. Then English level, if you have advanced C1, C2, and if you have good B2, select the option. Then upload your certificate here, your original IELTS certificate will be uploaded here. And move on to the next part, which is about the education. Specify your education here, high school, whatever you have, FSC pre-medical and FSC pre-engineering. Then upload your transcript here, your official degree. In Urdu we say the sanad. Educational system, Italian diploma, non-Italian diploma. So if you are from foreign country, do select non-Italian diploma. Then your high school GPA. Firstly select out the scale in which you your grading system, mean to say, if you got your marks from 100, then click on the 100, 20, 10, 5 and 4. So in Pakistan we have a grading system out of 100, so we select 100. High school diploma GPA, how much you got from the intermediate, so do specify here 75. Then your number of school earning, mean to say how much education do you have from Pakistan. So we have 12-year education after completing our intermediate, so click the 12. Then bachelor, if you have a higher education, mean to say if you have first semester, second semester from any university in Pakistan and from India, so do specify higher education, bachelor degree name, and bachelor degree name in English, bachelor degree level if you have. Otherwise do not need to specify these whole details. Add higher education, so here you can upload your whole documents, additional documents, mean to say your motivation letters, your recommendation letter, your credit certificates, your CV, and each and everything will be uploaded here. All the additional documents will be uploaded here. Here you can upload all your additional documents. So after adding your education, click on the save. Then move on to the next part, which is about the professional experiences. So do you have a personal experience? If yes, then click on the yes and enter your whole details, experience, duration, company and association, sector, country, and you may write about description according to your job title. Do not exceed the 250 words limit. Add your professional CV, you may upload your CV here. If you don't have any experience, then click on the no. Then save and move on to the next part, which is about the entry test. In professional experience, you may upload your CV. After uploading our CV, our field has been tick marked. So upload your CV here. If you don't have any experience or if you have any experience, CV uploadation is the must. Then move on to the next part, which is about the entry test. If you have any entry test, if you have done Talk E, Talk I and Talk F, and if you have done the CENT or SAT, so do specify here, because for applying in the Spencer University of Rome, we require the Talk test. For applying in the engineering fields, we require Talk I and Talk E, and if we are applying in the medical fields, then we have to apply for the Talk F certificate. So if you have CENT, then do specify here CENT. Date of your test, how much you score in that CENT test. Then move on to the next part, which is about the motivations. So you can, okay, so here you do not need to upload your motivation letter, you need to write it in your own words and do not exceed the limit of 250 words. Here is the limit of 250 words, so do write your motivation letter here. I am just typing the dummy things. You may write your whole motivation letter in this part, okay? So next is, how did you hear about Sapienza, about this program? So you may select out the options. Then move on to the next part, which is about the recommendations. So here you can add a referee. So title doctor, non-professor or professor doctor. First name, I am just writing dummy things, okay? Her last name or his last name. Organization, this is about the recommendations, okay? Job title, course coordinator or HOD, and his or her phone number, her email address, his or her, okay? So after entering your whole data, you will click here send email, and your professor will got the email, and after that he accept the reference details from Spencer University of Rome. He or she will refer to you to the Spencer University of Rome, and after he or she will refer to, then your application will be automatically proceeded to the Spencer University of Rome. So do attach the documents and do attach the email which is currently active and your professor and sir is using it. Okay, so after send email, so the professor will got the email, so then click on the save. Then move on to the next part, which is about the application fees. So how you can pay your application fees. So this process is simple, tricky, but not the difficult procedure. So after you log into the Spencer University of Rome portal, you automatically will receive an email in which you got a link about the university fees, and the university fees is payable within the 1 week or 2 week, and application fees is €30. So when you click on the link, you will redirect to the application fee portal, which is a Pagopa server, and after clicking on it, you will pay your application fees without using your MasterCard and your debit card. Okay, it will also be a Visa card. Okay. So after you pay your application fees, to upload the fee receipt here. Okay, so when you upload your fee receipt here, then you may click on the save button, and then the final submission. Do check all the requirements, tick mark the terms and condition form, and then save. After filling all the details, all the tick marks will be appear here, and then you will after the completion of the application fees, you may click on the final submission. Then your application will be proceeded to the Spencer University of Rome. And if you find any difficulty in paying the application fees, you may contact to me. I will definitely help you. And till here, your application is totally completed. You do not need to do anything or do additional thing to your application. Your application is completed. So from here you can check your details also. Your application is 88% complete. When you pay your application fees and click on the final submission button, your application will be 100% completed and forwarded to the Spencer University of Rome. And after the evaluation, within the 2 to 3 weeks or 1 to 2 weeks, you will receive an offer letter from the Spencer University of Rome. So this is the whole procedure for applying in the Spencer University of Rome. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you will apply to the Spencer University of Rome successfully. So pray to Allah Almighty that you will receive the offer letter from the Spencer University of Rome. And if you face any difficulty and if you have any query, do contact with me. Do not hesitate to contact with me or with my team by using any social media platform. I will always be there for you to help you. So meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.